Hello everyone. So I have another orchid. I do have the orchid bug, guys. So I just went to Lowe's in my area and they have a whole bunch of orchids on clearance. Yes, clearance. Some look really bad shape and others are not in as bad of a shape. But anyway, I'm going to do my best to regenerate them, get them growing, and hopefully I will keep you guys posted on the progress. So I just wanted to show you before I opened it up what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it says it's CostaFarms.com. So that's the place that grows these orchids. And it has a little tag right there. It's just a Phalenopsis. It doesn't really say what color or species of the Phalenopsis it is. So for now, I guess I can consider it annoyed. But anyway, I was hoping that this one is actually going to be a darker color. So to me, this little flower petal looks to be like a darker hue of a red, a violet color. So I'm hoping that this petal in my hand actually came from this plant instead of another one. There are two inside the pot, but this one is really dark, so I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to take it out this bag and I'll let you guys see it. It looks like it's just really dry. So hopefully I can get it growing again. I'm going to change the potting medium. So it's in sphagnum moss, and I'm going to put it in an orchid like bark medium. Maybe add a little bit of perlite to it as well. And I'm going to clean the leaves off and hopefully spray it down too with some peroxide, diluted peroxide, to make sure that I kill any bacteria that it may have, and then I'll look it over thoroughly to make sure there are no bugs. Hopefully it's not, so I'm going to try to keep it away from my other orchids to hopefully not infect it if it's dying slightly of bug infestation or bacterial infestation, if that's something that can be transmitted to other orchids. But anyway, this is my project. I really like nurturing plants and getting them back to normal life or vitality. So I'm hoping that this one will be a successful project, and that hopefully if it has this beautiful, that's dried now, but this beautiful burgundy-ish color, then I will be very happy. Alright, so hold on, let me take it out the plastic. Okay, so this is the Phalenopsis out of the plastic, and it just looks like it's really dry. It looks like it's not in the severe shape of like a virus or infestation. To me, the roots look decent. Oh wow, it's really dry, guys. This is all the medium. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it off. If I have to, like, it's dry. It looks like probably the store just didn't know how to water it, or they just didn't water it. But look at that, it's just really dry, guys. So it's not dead for sure. It's definitely not dead. And being that orchids don't like a whole lot of water, it's just really dehydrated. So I'm hoping that after I take out this medium and clean it up, then I can get it going. So I'll take another view once I get it repotted. I'm going to go ahead and cut this stem here because it's fully brown, and so at this point I just think the plant needs to recover from the dehydration instead of focusing on putting out flowers. So I'll be patient with it if it can be patient with me, and maybe we can work together to get it growing again. Alright, so stay tuned. I'll keep you guys posted. Okay, so I've cut off the flower spike of my newest Phalenopsis, and I've trimmed out all the yellow roots. There are a lot. I'll show you guys that shortly. But I have it in water, actually. I think I'm going to leave it. I've seen a couple of other YouTubers' videos about water culture, and since this one is so severely dehydrated, I'm going to leave it in water, but making sure that the crown doesn't stay in the water, so that it can actually just leave the roots and help the roots hopefully reformat themselves. So as you can see, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but I have the water level like maybe a half an inch below the crown, so that it's not going to be getting the crown rot, or getting a chance of getting root rot from being in the water. But the leaves are still somewhat green. They're just really dehydrated. So there's one right there that looks pretty bad, just at the tip, and that one's like the most severely dehydrated of them all. But this one here too, I think the under leaves are the worst. But that may be okay, because they'll probably lose those leaves and then hopefully put out new leaves. I am not an expert on Phalenopsis. I'm an amateur, severe, true amateur. This is like my fourth. This is my fourth one at this point. But I think I have an addiction, so like I said, I like to care for stuff and make it grow. And you know, you really appreciate something after you've watched it for a while, and then it shows its true beauty by blooming for you. So I'm really hoping that, first of all, this one is going to make it. Second of all, that it is the color that I wanted, which is a burgundy-ish or pink with like speckles on it. So anyway, I'll keep you guys posted. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye. So here are the roots that I cut off of my Phalenopsis, and yeah, see, they were pretty bad off. And the rest is the sphagnum moss that it was in. So I'm going to put all this in the compost. But yeah, the roots were just severely dehydrated. So I don't know if I'll be able to save it, but I'm going to do my best and see. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks.